Well, good afternoon, everyone. It may be evening where you are, it may be early morning where you are, but we want to welcome you to this afternoon's Novatech Overview. And I tell you what, I am extremely excited about today's presentation. This is going to be an inaugural presentation for our very newest presenter. And I tell you what, she's going to share some very powerful information with you. And she's going to be introducing the PAMM account. And so this is the backbone of Novatech. And we are really excited about it. My name is Corey J. Sampson, and I'm going to share with you some what can prove to be life-changing information for not only you, but for your families for many generations to come. Now, what I'm going to share with you is a forecasting tool, okay? And this is the calculatorsite.com. This is our compounding calculator, okay? This is exactly what it is. It's a compounding calculator. Now here in Novatech, we do not compound per se. What we do is reinvest our profits, all right? Now I want to share with you where you can go to see this information. It is at thecalculatorsite.com, okay? Thecalculatorsite.com. And if you'd like to look at this information at your leisure, you're more than welcome to do so. All righty. And so I need to read this disclaimer to you to begin with. And that is the compound calculator is not part of Novatech, nor is it endorsed by the company. Past performance is not indicative of future results and should not be construed in any way as a guaranteed return on investment. The earnings shown here are examples of potential profits and should be used for educational purposes only, all right? So we are really excited to share the information with you on this afternoon. And what I am going to do is I'm going to start with $2,500. This is a one-time investment, okay? Out of pocket. You can start with whatever dollar amount you choose. However, I'm going to display $2,500 on this afternoon. All righty. Now, the reason why I'm sharing $2,500 with you is that this is near and dear to my heart. This is actually where I started in Novatech, was with $2,500 back on July 10th of 2021. All right. Now, when I saw this calculator and I saw the potential, I tell you what, I became really excited and just very grateful. All right. Now, we're going to use 3% as our return on investment, which is what we typically earn weekly. All right. Now, that is simply an average. We never know exactly what we're going to get every week. It's anywhere between 2 and 4%. Some weeks it's a little less than 2%, and some weeks it's a little more than 4%. However, we use 3% as an average to forecast because, quite frankly, that is what we have done over the last 3 years. Novatech has been in business since June of 2019. This is our birthday month, and we are so excited and so elated to be here and to be a part of Novatech. I'm going to forecast out 10 years, and we compound weekly. In other words, we are able to reinvest our return on investment every single week. Fantastic. Let me show you what that looks like. At $2,500, your very first 12 months investing in Novatech, you have the potential of earning $9,127.21. That is quadrupling your investment in the very first 12 months. This is phenomenal. Now, give it another 12 months for a total of 24 months. Now you're looking at potentially earning $51,576.85. Now this is enormous because remember, we only invested $2,500 one time out of pocket. And all we did is every Friday, when we receive our return on investment, we go in and tick a few boxes, takes us all of 45 seconds. And we reinvest our profit. Because this has the feature of compounding, right? Our monies are growing exponentially. This is super fantastic, nothing short of a blessing. And let's look at 5 years, family. 5 years, you have the potential of earning $5,437,744.67. Now that can be life-saving money. Now let me just share with you really quickly. I am the mother of 4 beautiful daughters and 2 grandbabies, okay? My youngest granddaughter is 3 years old. She is my namesake, Corinne. Her mommy named her after me. What an honor, right? Well, so this 5 million is wonderful for me and my family today, right? But what I'm most interested in is creating a legacy. Right? So I want to ensure that my children and their children and their children and their children never have to worry about money. So my goal is to let this $2,500 grow over a 10-year period, which has then the potential of earning 11 billion with a B, $838,502,321.49 potentially. Is that exciting or is that exciting? Yes, it is truly, truly life-changing. And what I want to share with you is that if at any point you want to withdraw your funds, you absolutely can do that. You do not have to leave your money in here for 10 years as I plan to do, okay? You can take your money out whenever you choose. It's your money and you have total and complete access to it. Now, when you look at these numbers, oftentimes people will say, oh my goodness, you know, this just doesn't look real. Let me tell you what, it is real. It is happening. And other cultures, other socioeconomic groups have been experiencing this for many generations. And now you and I have the ability to do the same. So we just wanted to share that tidbit with you with regards to the potential here. Once again, we offer no guarantees. We do not know what the future holds. Only Jesus Christ knows that. But we are very comfortable in what it is that we have our hands on. And most importantly, we're very grateful for what we have our hands on and what has happened in Novatech for 3 solid years. No one has ever lost a dime in Novatech, and we have been paid every single Friday. We have never missed a payday. Wow, that's huge. So family, listen, we're just really grateful that you're here. And this is a very, very, very special presentation. And I must tell you that the young lady that I am going to bring up now Miss Sherelle D. Lowry. This is her inaugural presentation. This is the very first time she has presented this incredible, incredible information. And I tell you what, it is an honor and a blessing for me to introduce Sherelle D. Lowry. Let me just share a little bit about Sherelle with you really quickly, because I'm going to tell you, I could talk about Sherelle until the Lord takes me home. Okay. Sherelle is a book author. She has had her own television show on cable TV, and you'll probably get a glimpse of that during this presentation, right? She's actually my sponsor in Novatech. She shared this information with me back in July, for which I am forever grateful. But let me tell you what I'm most grateful about. The Lord chose me to be her mommy. This is my oldest daughter, Sherelle D. Lowry. She is also the mother of Corinne Santana Lowry. Corinne is my youngest grandbaby, and I think it's the greatest thing Sherelle has ever done. And there is a list of great things that she has done. So without further ado, family, I am going to introduce to you my very precious oldest daughter, Sherelle D. Lowry. Sherelle, are you there, darling?
I am. Thank you so much, Mom. I really appreciate this today. I'm super excited. I think that this is going to be a phenomenal presentation. I want to say, first of all, thank you for being the most amazing mom, period. You have taught us so much about how to be great women, and on top of that, about how to be great business women. That is so important. I'm sitting here in our beautiful home. It is Wednesday at 1, and my daughter is sitting right next to me, and she was talking to me while you were doing the calculator, talking to me about the Zoom and the presentation. Most people don't have the opportunity to be able to enjoy their children's lives this way, to impact their children's lives this way. By the time kids are 3 and 4 years old, they're already being carted off to school. And some people are sending their children away at 6 months old. So during the presentation, I'm going to try to send my little one upstairs, but you definitely may hear her in the background. Again, this is Wednesday at 1. So this is for the stay-at-home moms. This is for the stay-at-home dads, people who want that passive income lifestyle. This is not going to be one of those uber professional presentations. This is going to be, like my Uncle Stan says, a conversation, not a presentation. So we're really going to talk about money. This is something that we really don't talk about often. And again, Mommy, I want to thank you so much for being so amazing. And co-hosts, please take it away from me, because I'm not going to allow anyone to get on right now. Corinne, go ahead and go upstairs with your wonderful grandmother, because Mommy is getting ready to get into the presentation. Okay, she's scared of the statue. So let me try and share my screen. It's looking like it's giving me just a little bit of trouble. Mom, would you tell me what my screen looks like? Can you see my screen?
Looks wonderful, darling.
Wonderful. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do is I am going to talk about the PAM account today. Guys, let me tell you just a little bit about myself. I am a 44-year-old first-time mom, and I love being a mom. It is literally the joy of my life. And on top of that, we understood that I needed to be able to make some significant income. And so the PAM account was really the most wonderful marriage of making that happen. So let's really talk about it, guys, because that's probably why you're here today, the PAM account. And you've heard about this exciting 2 to 4% per week. Thank you so much, Mom. Again, y'all, this is a conversation, not a presentation. This is like us inviting you right into our home to have a glass of wine while we talk about money, which we should do in our communities all the time. So my mom is taking my darling little one upstairs so that you guys can hear me clearly. Again, we're going to talk about the PAM account. This is what I like to call like it's like a savings account on steroids, right? This is a real thing, y'all. So here we are, Novatech. Okay, Novatech is ahead above the clouds. And what I'm going to do right now, as we're kind of looking at Novatech, there's no gimmies, no gotchas, and no games. I'm going to turn off my camera so that you guys can focus on the presentation at hand. And I am going to go into the presentation knee deep. This is when I invite you to go ahead and get your paper and your pen out, because I want you guys to take notes. Here goes Bishop 55. Let's go ahead and let him in. My camera's going off. I want to welcome you guys officially to the PAMM account for Novatech. So Novatech is all about trading profits made easy. Guys, as I've said before, and I'll definitely say it again, I'm a busy, super single mom who likes to focus on my daughter and my home life. But I don't want to be sitting behind a computer, hoping that the trade that I took was profitable. Oh, y'all know about trading, right? Y'all have taken the trading classes, spent all the money on the trading classes, spent the monthly on the trading classes, and y'all have probably also been up at 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning and during the London session, just trying to make sure that you get a profitable trade. I'm sure y'all have done that, right? I know that you have, because I have too. So I decided that that just probably wasn't for me. And then when Novatech was presented to us at our desk, I was so excited. Fully automated cryptocurrency and a Forex trading platform. It just really didn't get any better than that. I was so excited about the idea of having a life while still having amazing profits, because that's what we're all looking for, right? You guys are probably here because somebody told you about being able to potentially make 2 to 4% a week on your money. Right? I want you guys, if you don't take anything else from this presentation, to remember 2 to 4% a week on your money for doing really the minimal amount, basically nothing. So who are we? Who is Novatech? Novatech is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC, and it boasts some of the industry's top global professionals. So what do? We have Bitcoin ATMs. You guys are starting to see these Bitcoin ATMs pop up all over the place, especially in convenience stores, I'm sure, right? Y'all know Mike Tyson? Mike Tyson was one of those boxers, just like Evander Holyfield, who was having financial issues and financial problems. But guess what? He started investing in ding, 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 Bitcoin ATMs. Now he's got tons of them, and his empire is continuing to grow. Then we also have Bitcoin mining. We also have big crypto and debit card transactions. So we literally have a website. This is all Novatech, y'all. We literally have a website where you can go and purchase Bitcoin right on our website with your debit card. This is not something that, most people can do or most people offer. It's really fantastic. And then here's the granddaddy of them all, the crypto and the Forex trading, right? That is the really super sexy part about what we do. Again, getting back to that 2 to 4% that we have been making since June of 2019. Nothing is promised. My mom was very clear about that as she was going over the calculator. But our history has been 2 to 4% on average per week on your money. Guys, it doesn't get any better than that. So who we are, right? Who is this amazing team that has put this together so that we can exist? You guys may have seen some programs that kind of smell like Novatech, but I promise you, nothing looks like Novatech. You'll never see the CEO and the COO be this young, this active, this vibrant, and this present in their company. We have over 40 years of combined experience in blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies, crypto and Forex training, and so much more. It is really, really, really exciting. And I'm telling you what, I have never been more impressed with a team and a company than I am with Novatech. We also have Ricardo Roy, who is our CTO. See, what we do is based on technology, and you want to have a really strong CTO, and that's what we've got in Ricardo Roy. He's got over 21 years on his own of experience building global networks and so much more. Guys, we are in the right place at the right time. We were established in June of 2019. I really want you guys to absorb that, write that down, along with the 2 to 4% that we're getting on average per week. Understand that we are an established company, especially in this space. Novatech is a legally registered cryptocurrency hedge fund company. So if anyone asks you exactly what is Novatech, let's say it together, y'all. Novatech is a legally registered cryptocurrency hedge fund company. Okay. And the goal of Novatech is to provide customers with an affordable financial solution. You see, getting involved in a hedge fund is really exciting, but most of us don't have the opportunity to get involved in a hedge fund. We don't have the resources. We don't have the credit score. No one will ever invite you to join a hedge fund, not regular folks. Novatech is giving you the invitation. We trade cryptocurrencies and Forex online, and we utilize the most sophisticated and latest technologies available. You guys, it is so exciting. We are in the right place at the right time. And Novatech is a registered MetaTrader 5 broker. We operate on our own trading platform with one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. When I was first looking at Novatech for just kind of taking a peek at it, I was so excited when I saw that they were a MetaTrader 5 broker. If any of you are even familiar with trading, even just a little bit, you know that MetaTrader is the platform that we use to make any trades happen, whether that be gold, silver, cryptocurrency, or fiat currencies, right? You got to have MetaTrader. That's how the money is moved. Well, the fact that Novatech is a registered MetaTrader 5 broker is huge. That means they've got all their I's dotted and their T's crossed. This is not a fly-by-night situation. This company is here to stay. So if you go and download MetaTrader 5 and look up Novatech FX, guess what? They're one of the brokers. They don't have to borrow the money when they pay us. They have the money. So let's just kind of quickly talk about what are PAM accounts, okay? PAM accounts, this is not a term that we made up. This is an industry standard term, percentage allocation management module, okay? This is a form of pooled funds inside of a cryptocurrency or a Forex trading account. It's really fantastic. And so inside of the managed trading account, it's traded for you. The monies are traded for you by qualified and successful traders. We were kind of chatting earlier about, learning how to trade and how difficult it can be, and that you need to probably learn for about 10,000 hours before you can be successful yourself. Well, most of us don't have 10,000 hours to learn how to be successful traders. Okay, so you're able to literally invest without the need for knowledge of experience of trading. Y'all, that means I can trade without trading. That means I can make 2 to 4% a week on average on my money without staying up all night long trading because of this amazing percentage allocation management module. It's fantastic. And then at the end of a specific trading period, which for us is 1 week, the profits inside of the PAM account are equally distributed among the investors. So it's not that if you invest $100,000, you get a larger percentage than someone who has invested $500. Nope, we all get the same amount based upon what we have invested. Guys, this is so exciting. Most of you will know about this. It's kind of like a mutual fund, but again, on steroids. We also have our live market trading program for somebody who kind of wants to maybe learn how to trade themselves, but most of you guys are here for the do it done for you by experienced trader program, which is our PAM account. But if you want to try to learn how to trade yourself, you're more than welcome to. We have a free demo account and it's available on Windows, Apple, or Android. Again, I'm here because I'm super busy. I don't have a lot of time, but what I need is a lot of money. And again, we're able to make that 2 to 4% per week on average. And again, this is what the average has been. Nothing is guaranteed, but it's been great living, guys. What I love is that in the back, the company is extremely transparent. Novatech shares the trading performance, and it's based on what we have experienced over the past week. So last year for 2021, between the January and December of 2021, our 12-month average per month, okay, was 14.825%. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have any of those highfalutin, like $1 million baby policies for your kids. I do. I have one for my daughter. And on a good year, we will make we'll make about 13, percent per week. I mean, per month, per year. Let me say that again, so that's clear. On a $1 million baby policy, I make about 13% per year for my daughter's insurance policy per year. Here at Novatech, we are making on average 14.825% per month. Guys, it's mind-blowing. This is the type of income that people are living on. It's amazing. And all this information is right there in your back office. So when you get started, you can see it. All of these results are extremely transparent. Here are our numbers in April, and you can see this is exactly what we talk about, that 2 to 4% on average per week. The week of April 29, 3.08. The 22nd, 3.71. The 15th, 2.85. The 8th, 1.85%. And guys, let me tell you what you're doing to earn these percentages. You're making your initial investment, which is super easy. It's like opening up a checking account. And then on top of that, you're spending about 45 seconds going in and reinvesting your funds. Super simple, super easy. So why is Novatech different? I was kind of sharing with you guys. Now, Novatech might smell like something you've seen before, but it's absolutely like nothing you've ever seen before. There's no expiration dates. You can trade for as long as you want, right? So you can trade for 10 years, as my mom was sharing with you, or you can trade for a shorter period of time. There's no repurchase requirements. If you want to take your money out, you absolutely can, and you can cancel at any time. 100% of your investment is traded. Not 70%, not 60%, not half of it. Your weekly profits are paid Friday. We call it Friday. My mother actually calls Thursday Christmas Eve because we're always excited and ready to see what our profits have been for the week. No trading skills are required. We're not going to invite you to a class where you have to learn how to trade. We do the trading for you. You have 100% access to your capital. I can literally go in my back office right now and withdraw from my trading balance at any time. We have the option to redeposit our profits, guys. So what happens is every Friday, they say, hey, y'all, guess what we made? They share it with us in our back office. We go take a peek at it, and we have a couple options. The first option is to withdraw the money. Yep, y'all. You can just take it out. You can go spend it. You can go party. You can go to the club. You can do whatever you want to do with it. You can pay your bills, your mortgages, etc. But what I choose to do most of the time is to redeposit my profit because I want that money to make money. That's how the wealthy live. They don't live by existing on the money that they make. They live on the money that their money makes. That's how we should all be living. And that's how you get that real financial freedom. Then there's no withdrawal limits. Withdraw whatever you'd like. We are an amazing company, a crypto hedge fund registered right here in the good old US of A. And you saw our CEO and our COO. They're very young. They live right here in Florida. You can touch, smell, and feel them. This is a global opportunity, though. So if you've got friends and family who live all over the world, who want to acquire that 2 to 4% that we make every week and that we have made, again, nothing is guaranteed, but that we have been making, share this with them. But guess what? If you don't want to, You don't have to. There's no recruiting required. You can still be that family member that everybody's asking for money from if you want to be, okay? You definitely can maintain that role. You don't have to share this with a soul. You can just treat it like a regular, like a checking account on steroids and make that money. So our PAM accounts must be funded with cryptocurrency. Okay, I want to make that very clear with either Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT Tether, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. Okay, must be funded with Bitcoin. But there's no stress there, guys. I want you to remember that we all started somewhere in this cryptocurrency journey as we're learning about how it works. So whatever assistance or help that you need, our team, Team Diamond, so fantastic, we will help you along the journey. Now, my mom shared with you that about getting started at the $2,500 package. We like to call that the sweet spot. It is truly the best way to build an amazing, profitable stream for yourself. Okay. But you can get started for literally as little as $99. Okay. We don't really recommend anybody to get started for less than $500. But the way that this company was established and it was really built for the person who may not have the resources to get involved with the hedge fund. See, that's the energy behind this company, is that it's built for the little guy, the hedge fund for the little guy. That's so amazing to me. And that's why our company is growing so fast, you guys. But it's growing strong. So you can get started at any of these levels. Again, service is not available in Texas, South Carolina, Montana, Hawaii, or Alaska. Now, if you want to go bigger than $24,999, you absolutely can, and you instantly become a VIP. While we're all very important in Novatech, the VIPs get a little extra love on them, right? They get this 1% monthly cash back, which is freaking fantastic. And then the $25 fee that we pay, we do not have to pay that. So we pay a $25 fee every month to maintain, manage our accounts, and we don't pay that at the VIP level. Now, if you want to be a big baller shot caller, you go ahead and get up to that 100K level. And, we're laughing about that, but there's so many of us who have money that maybe just kind of sitting in an account. We've been very conservative with our dollars and cents. But what happens is with the rate of inflation, we're literally losing money. We've done all the right things, but now we've got money and it's not moving. It's not making any money for us. Someone's making money on that money that you have worked hard and earned, but it's not you. Go ahead and become a President's Club member right here at Novatech. So you get 2.5% monthly cash back. And then you get that nice, sweet little or big $1,000 cash back bonus. And there are no monthly fees. So the $25 monthly fee that all of us pay, if you are in the President's Club VIP or just a VIP, you will not pay that. What I love about Novatech is that we have an amazing dedicated support portal. Go to support.novatechfx.com and then get any of your questions answered, any tickets placed. You can place them right there. But quite frankly, Team Diamond, we're so serious about our leadership and making sure that people understand exactly how Novatech works, that we literally can answer most of the questions that you have. So before you submit a ticket, and I know that we're just learning about this for the first time, guys, so I want to welcome you. Make sure that you just reach up and say, hey, got a quick question. That way we don't inundate our amazing support team with too many tickets. Here's a quick earnings disclaimer. You guys already know how this works, right? The use of our information, products, and services should be based on our own due diligence. Make sure that you are mindful. We do not accept liability for any loss or damage whatsoever caused in reliance upon such information or services. You must also be 18 years or older to get started. So if you have a child who is about to turn 18, give them the best birthday gift ever. The gift of financial independence. Okay, I'm telling you what, get back with the person who invited you here. These are good times. Get started now. Do not wait. Take action. And Robert Kiyosaki said, don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Y'all, that's huge, right? Because we all want to live this great life, and it can absolutely be possible. There are opportunities that come into our lives all of the time, but great ones only come every so often. So make sure that you don't pass up this great one. It has literally changed our entire family's lives. And let me just kind of give you guys in closing, tonight, if you want to hear the full presentation, because I just kind of gave y'all the PAMM account presentation, which again is that kind of like a checking account on steroids. Tonight, we're going to be right back here in the same place at 8 p.m. And Dr. Sean Hubbard, who is a very busy neurologist, is going to be going over this presentation. So he's going to give you the full Monty and just a little bit more information. But if you've got any questions at all, reach out to the person who invited you here today. And if they can't answer your question, that's okay, because maybe they were just invited here by someone else. Make sure that you get to a person who can answer your questions. We are absolutely here for you. It is Wednesday at 1. My daughter is sitting with my mother on her lap, and we are sharing financial information with you. This is the good life, guys. So I will see you right here next Wednesday at 1 p.m. Wednesday at 1, right here. We're going to go over the exact same information. So if you've got some people who are interested in learning about how this account can work, friends, family, and maybe you're not really interested in recruiting or doing anything like that, guess what? This is the spot for you right here, Wednesday at 1 with your girl, Sherelle D. Lowry. I'm going to admit this last person in. Can I admit them in? Let me see. Well, it looks like I can't. So can somebody admit Claudia in? And thank you guys so much for coming. I really appreciate you. I will see you this evening at 8 p.m. And then again, I will see you next Wednesday at 1. Have a blessed day.